high above us, a shining testament to human ingenuity, orbits the Earth. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a marvel of engineering and a symbol of international cooperation. It is a beacon of hope, reminding us that even amongst the stars, humanity can work together towards a common goal. For over 2 decades, the ISS has served as a home away from home for astronauts from around the world. They live and work in this incredible orbiting laboratory. The ISS is a testament to the power of human imagination and our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. It is a symbol of what we can achieve when we set aside our differences and work together. The ISS is more than just a space station. It is a testament to the boundless potential of humanity.
The dream of a permanently inhabited space station began long ago, when the first rockets pierced the sky. It began in the minds of visionaries who dared to imagine a human presence beyond Earth. However, the ISS was not the product of a single dream, but a tapestry woven from the aspirations of many nations. The story of the ISS is a story of perseverance and international collaboration on an unprecedented scale. Piece by piece, module by module, the station was assembled in orbit. It was a delicate dance of engineering and logistics, a testament to the dedication and expertise of thousands of people around the world.
The journey of the ISS has not been without its challenges. In 2003, the world watched in horror as the Space Shuttle Columbia disintegrated during re-entry. The tragedy claimed the lives of 7 astronauts and cast a shadow over the future of space exploration. The loss of Columbia was a stark reminder of the risks inherent in space travel. It was a time of profound sadness and reflection for the global space community. The immediate impact on the ISS program was significant. Space shuttle flights were suspended and construction of the ISS was halted.
In the face of this tragedy, the international partners of the ISS program drew strength from their shared purpose. They knew that the best way to honor the sacrifice of the Columbia crew was to continue the mission. With unwavering resolve, they worked together to overcome the technical and logistical challenges posed by the grounding of the space shuttle fleet. Russia stepped forward, providing Soyuz spacecraft to ferry astronauts to and from the ISS. The European Space Agency and Japan also made significant contributions, ensuring the continued operation of the station. The Columbia disaster, while a devastating setback, ultimately served to strengthen the bonds of international cooperation in space.
Section 5. Science on the Frontier. The Marvel of Microgravity. The ISS is not just an engineering marvel, it is a unique scientific laboratory. It is a place where researchers can conduct experiments in a microgravity environment, an environment impossible to replicate on Earth. The station has hosted over 3,000 experiments from researchers in over 100 countries, advancing our understanding in fields ranging from biology to materials science. In the weightlessness of space, physical phenomena behave differently. Liquids don't settle, fire burns in spheres, and crystals grow in ways never before observed. By studying these phenomena, scientists are gaining insights into fundamental physical processes and developing new technologies with applications on Earth and beyond.
Section 6. Life Support System, the Lifeline of the ISS. Maintaining a habitable environment in the harsh conditions of space is no small feat. The ISS requires a complex and robust life support system to provide astronauts with breathable air, clean water, and a comfortable temperature. This system is a marvel of engineering, constantly monitoring and adjusting the station's internal environment to ensure the safety and well-being of the crew. The life support system on the ISS is a testament to our ability to recreate the conditions necessary for human life in the most extreme environments. It is a critical component of the station's infrastructure, ensuring that astronauts can live and work comfortably while orbiting hundreds of miles above Earth.
Section 7. Cargo ships. Delivering hope and progress. The ISS is a self-contained world, but it still relies on regular deliveries from Earth to replenish its supplies. This crucial task falls upon uncrewed cargo ships such as Orbital ATK's Cygnus, which ferry tons of food, water, scientific equipment, and other essential items to the station. These cargo missions are a vital lifeline for the ISS, ensuring that the astronauts have everything they need to live and work. They are a testament to the ingenuity of the engineers and technicians who design, build, and operate these complex space vehicles.
Section 8, Passing the Torch, the future of space stations. As the ISS enters its final years, a new generation of space stations is on the horizon. These future outposts will build upon the legacy of the ISS, expanding our presence in low Earth orbit and venturing beyond to destinations. These new stations will be more than just orbiting laboratories. They will be hubs of commercial activity, space tourism, and international collaboration. They represent the next chapter in the ongoing saga of human space exploration.
Section 9. India's Rise, a new star in the constellation. An emerging power in the realm of space exploration, India has announced its plans to launch its own space station by 2030. This ambitious project reflects India's growing technological prowess and its commitment to advancing human understanding of the universe. India's space station will be a testament to the country's scientific and engineering capabilities. It will provide Indian researchers with opportunities to conduct cutting-edge experiments in microgravity and serve as a platform for international collaboration.
Section 10. Gateway to the Stars, NASA's ambitious project. Looking beyond low Earth orbit, NASA is leading the development of Gateway, a lunar orbiting outpost that will serve as a staging ground for future missions to the Moon and Mars. Gateway represents a bold step in human space exploration, allowing us to push the boundaries of our knowledge and reach new frontiers. Gateway will be a truly international endeavor, with contributions from partner agencies around the world. It will serve as a hub for scientific research, technological development, and exploration, paving the way for a permanent human presence beyond the Moon.
Section 11. A legacy of inspiration, a future of exploration. The International Space Station is a shining example of what humanity can achieve when we work together. It is a testament to our ingenuity, our resilience, and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. As we look to the future, the lessons learned from the ISS will guide us as we continue to push the boundaries of human exploration. The ISS is more than just a space station. It is a symbol of hope, a beacon of inspiration, and a testament to the boundless potential of the human spirit. It is a reminder that even amongst the stars, we are united by our shared humanity and our common desire to explore the unknown.